Thanks for watching the Vantrue S1 Pro Max Quick Start Guide. It is an upgraded version of the S1 Pro. The S1 Pro Max is the first dash cam in the industry to offer 4K Ultra HD on both front and rear cameras, with dual Starvis 2 image sensors. Perfect for recording stunning HD scenery on your journeys, especially if you enjoy road trips, off-roading, or making vlogs. It also features AI driver assistance and 4G remote monitoring, letting you capture Ultra HD video of both front and rear, to keep your driving and parking safe. Next, let's walk you through how to use the S1 Pro Max. Open the package. Inside, you'll find the following accessories. For the first-time setup, you'll need. For installation, you'll need. Activate. Attach the GPS mount to your dash cam. Insert a memory card into the slot. Connect the power cable to the mount's port. Then plug the other end into a stable power source. After powering on the dash cam, proceed with the first-time setup. Select your language based on region. Choose the correct time zone. Here we'll use London as an example. Press OK to confirm all default settings. The light frequency will automatically switch to the appropriate setting, based on the language and region you select. When using the dash cam in a new region, make sure to reset the light frequency based on the local region and time zone. Verification steps: confirm normal display on the dash cam screen. Connect the rear camera extension cable. Plug the other end of the cable into the dash cam. Verify split screen display of front/rear views. Press the second button from the left on the bottom of the device to switch between different camera views. Installation and wiring. You have multiple options for where to install the dash cam. Choose the installation position based on local laws and your own preferences. There are two recommended installation methods. Method 1, cigarette lighter power. With this wiring method, parking mode won't work once the car is turned off. Scan QR code for setup guide. Capture screenshot for reference. Method 2, power supply via a hardwire kit. The hardwire kit cable is an optional accessory, and must be purchased separately. This wiring method enables parking mode after engine shutdown. Scan QR code for setup guide. Capture screenshot for reference. Personalized settings. Press the rightmost settings button to access. Record setup. Vantrue Intelligence. System setup. Files. After activation, use default settings unless you have specific needs. Customize based on personal preference or consult support. This guide explains key settings. 1. Resolution. The dash cam's resolution options are listed in descending order from highest to lowest. The S1 Pro Max defaults to the highest resolution setting. After configuration, verify the setting in the upper left corner of the display. 2. Plate Pix mode. If clear license plate capture is a high priority, first select your image. Its primary function is to focus specifically on license plates, significantly boosting their capturing capabilities. However, when Plate Pix mode is activated, the overall image will appear darker. Please select based on your specific usage scenario. 3. Parking mode. To enable this feature, you must first install a hardwiring kit. Parking modes includes 4 modes: collision detection, motion detection, low bitrate recording, low frame rate recording. 4. Voice control. Select this function in the system setup. Voice content refer to the specific phrases used to operate voice control. You must memorize all exact phrases. The dash cam responds only to precise instructions like, take photo, turn off screen. If the voice command deviates, for example, saying take a picture instead of take photo, the dash cam will not respond. 5. App connections. Scan the QR code on the screen to download the app for your phone's operating. After installing the Vantrue app, enable location services and Bluetooth. Issue the voice command, turn on Wi-Fi to the dash cam. In your phone's Wi-Fi settings, select the dash cam's network, typically named S1PMAX_Vantrue or similar. Enter the default Wi-Fi password, 12345678. After successfully connecting to the dashcam's Wi-Fi, tap the Files icon in the Vantrue app. Select the SD card folder. Locate your target file. Then tap Download. Once downloaded, press sync to transfer to your phone's gallery. Once it's synced, you can view the original high-definition files in your phone's gallery. Return to the app interface. Tap the settings icon at the top right to configure all dash cam functions. 6. Vantrue AI settings. Vantrue's intelligent AI advanced driver assistance delivers a precise, personalized, and efficient smart driving experience, continuously monitoring your surroundings, with instant alerts for potential risks. Vantrue Intelligence lets you switch the AI function on or off as you like. Front ADAS settings. ADAS warnings include the following alerts: forward collision warning, pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, forward vehicle start alarm, virtual bumper collision alarm, leave the switch, sensitivity, and activation speed at their default settings. Rear BSD settings. BSD warnings include the following alerts: lane change assist alarm, rear collision warning, leave the switch, sensitivity, and activation speed at their default settings. If you've also added the DMS camera, DMS warnings include the following alerts: smoking detection, phone call detection, distraction detection, fatigue detection, driver anomaly detection. Please note, you can only use either the in-car DMS or the rear BSD, not both at the same time. Since the dash cam has only one port for an added camera, only one of the in-car DMS or rear BSD can be used at a time. For first-time use, make sure to calibrate the camera. Scan QR code for detailed calibration instructions. Capture screenshot for reference. By default, the screen's dynamic display is off. You can set it to stay on for 1, 3, or 5 minutes depending on your needs. AI alert display and voice notifications are enabled by default. If the dash cam detects a warning, it will display an icon on the screen and give a voice prompt to keep you aware. That's all for the Vantrue S1 Pro Max Quick Start Guide.